Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Elite. Today we have a simple and fun English conversation. Listen carefully and learn English with us. Let's begin. My name is Camila, and today I want to talk about something very simple, something that took me a long time to learn. Sometimes the best thing you can do is say nothing. I know, that sounds strange. We always hear, be open, share your feelings, talk to people. And yes, that is important. But today I want to talk about the other side, the quiet side, the power of keeping something just for you. Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, I had a dream, a small, quiet dream. I wanted to learn English and one day become an English teacher. I was so excited about this idea. It felt warm inside my chest, like a small light. And what did I do? I told everyone. I told my friend at school. I told my neighbor. I told the girl I worked with. I told people I didn't even know very well. I was happy, and I wanted to share that happiness. I thought, if I tell people my dream, they will be happy for me too. But that is not what happened. My friend at school looked at me and said, "English teacher? That is very hard, Camilla. There are so many English teachers already." My neighbor said, "Oh, really? But your English is not so good yet, right?" And the girl at work just smiled, a polite smile, like she was thinking about something else. I went home that evening and I sat on my bed, and I felt something heavy in my chest, not the warm light from before, something cold and heavy. I thought, maybe they are right. Maybe my dream is too big. Maybe I should stop. That night I did not sleep well. I kept thinking about their words. Too hard, too many teachers, your English is not good yet. The next morning I woke up and I did not feel excited anymore. My dream was still there, but it felt smaller, like someone took the air out of a balloon. And I realized something. I gave my dream to people who were not ready to hold it, and they dropped it. Not because they were bad people, but because they did not understand it. They did not feel what I felt. So I made a decision. I stopped talking about my dream. Not forever, just for a while. I kept it inside. I protected it, like a small plant that needs warm sun and quiet water before it can grow big. At first it felt strange. I am a person who likes to talk. I like to share, so staying quiet felt uncomfortable, like wearing a coat that is too tight. But after a few weeks, something changed. I felt calmer. I felt more focused. I woke up every morning and I worked on my English. I watched videos. I listened to podcasts. I practiced every day. And nobody could take that away from me because nobody knew about it. One day, after many months of quiet work, I shared my dream again. But this time, I was careful. I chose one person, just one, my cousin Lucia. Lucia is a kind person. She always listens. She always cares. I told her, "Lucia, I am studying English. I want to be a teacher one day." And she looked at me and smiled, a real smile, not a polite smile, a real warm smile. And she said, "Camila, that is wonderful. I know you can do it." Those words felt different. They felt warm, like a cup of hot tea on a cold morning.
I walked home that evening and I felt the light again, the small, warm light inside my chest. It was still there. It never left. I just needed to protect it for a while. So, listeners, what did I learn from all of this? I learned that not every dream needs to be shared right away. Some dreams need time. They need to grow inside you first. They need your care and your patience before they are ready for the world. And I learned that the people you share with, they matter a lot. Before you tell someone something important, ask yourself one simple question. Does this person want good things for me? If the answer is yes, share. Let them hold your dream with care. If the answer is no, or you are not sure, wait. Keep it for a little longer. Take care of it yourself. Because keeping something private is not the same as being sad or closed. You can be friendly, you can be happy, you can smile and laugh, and still have a quiet place inside you, a place that is just yours. Your private world is not a dark room. It is a garden, a beautiful garden, and you choose who comes in. Not everyone gets a key to your garden. And today, I am here, speaking English with you, teaching, learning, growing. My dream did not die. It grew, quietly, slowly, but it grew. And yours can too. So here's my gentle question for you today. Is there something you are carrying right now? A dream, a hope, a small, quiet idea? Take care of it, protect it, give it time, and when you're ready, share it with someone who deserves to hold it. Now, let's practice some key words from today. Listen and repeat. Private. Private means something that belongs just to you. My dream was private. I did not tell everyone. Dream. A dream is something you want in your life, something you hope for. My dream is to be an English teacher. Share. Share means to tell someone something important. I shared my dream with my cousin Lucia. Protect. Protect means to keep something safe. I protected my dream. I kept it inside for a while. Grow. Grow means to get bigger and stronger. My dream grew slowly. Your English is growing too. Practice these words today. Private, dream, share, protect, grow. Thank you so much for listening today. You did a wonderful job. Remember, every time you listen in English, every time you practice, you are growing. You are stronger than you think. Take care of your dreams and take care of yourself. I am Camila, and this is English Elite. I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.